over here are balanced on this toy very precariously. And what's kind of funny is that, every now and then kind of tips over. So as you can see, Scout's taking up the most room, but Mint is being squeezed on the ceiling. And then it'll kind of balance itself out, and then Scout will be the one complaining. So this has been going on for a little bit now, and it's been really funny to watch. So let me just keep this focused on them for a little bit. Obviously, Mint is not very happy with what's going on right now. Oh, and who's that? Scout. You have to give Mint some room here. Uh-oh. Oh god, bird drama. So much bird drama. You don't know. You guys can share, can't you? You can share. It's okay, Pico. They sound like the birds from that one Pixar short. I guess now they're doing okay. No, maybe not. Pico's just watching. Maybe most of the drama's over. Now that Scout's being squeezed on top and Mint is nice and comfy. Okay.